As a project manager, you know that keeping a tight rein on your project budget is non-negotiable. Every expense needs to be tracked, categorized, and analyzed to ensure you're staying within scope and making informed financial decisions. This meticulous approach extends to your own business's finances, especially if you're a freelancer, consultant, or run a small agency. Accounting software like FreshBooks becomes your trusty sidekick in this endeavor. One of the foundational elements of good financial tracking in FreshBooks is the use of categories. These are essentially labels you apply to your income and expenses to organize them into meaningful groups, making it easier to understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. But what if your business evolves, or you realize your initial categorization scheme isn't quite right? The good news is that FreshBooks makes it straightforward to edit your categories. As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that the ability to customize and manage your categories is a powerful feature. It allows you to tailor FreshBooks to perfectly reflect your unique business operations, making your financial reports more accurate and insightful. Let's walk through exactly how to do this, why categories matter, and why you might need to edit them. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly reinforce the why. Proper categorization is the bedrock of effective financial management. Accurate reporting, well-defined categories translate directly into meaningful reports, like profit and loss statements, giving you a clear picture of your financial health. Tax preparation. Categorized transactions make tax time significantly less stressful. You can easily pull reports that show your deductible expenses, saving you time and potentially money. Budgeting and forecasting. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can create more realistic budgets and make better financial forecasts for future projects. Identifying trends. Categories help you spot trends in your spending or income. Are you spending too much on software subscriptions? Is a particular service bringing in more revenue than another? Categories reveal these insights. Now, why might you need to edit them? Business evolution. As your business grows or shifts focus, your old categories might no longer fit. You might offer new services, incur different types of expenses, or expand into new areas. Improved granularity. Initially, you might have used broad categories. Later, you might realize you need more specific subcategories to get a clearer financial picture, e.g., instead of just marketing, you might want social media ads, content creation, SEO services. Simplification. Conversely, you might find you have too many categories, making your tracking overly complex. You might want to merge some less frequently used categories. Mistakes or typos. Sometimes, it's as simple as correcting a spelling error or making a category name more intuitive. Step-by-step, editing categories in FreshBooks. FreshBooks aims for simplicity in its user interface, and managing categories is no exception. Here's how you can do it. Log in to your FreshBooks account. This is always the first step for any action within the software. Navigate to Accounting. On the left-hand navigation menu, or sometimes at the top, depending on your screen size and FreshBooks version, you'll see an option called Accounting. Click on this. This section is your financial hub where you manage your chart of accounts, bank connections, and, of course, your categories. Go to Chart of Accounts. Within the Accounting section, look for an option that says Chart of Accounts. This is where FreshBooks lists all the categories you use for your income and expenses, along with other financial accounts. Click on it. Locate the category you want to edit. You'll see a comprehensive list of all your active categories. These are typically organized into sections like income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have many categories to find the specific one you wish to modify. Click the Edit or three dots icon. Next to each category, you'll usually find an Edit button or a three-dot menu icon. Click on this. This action will open a small window or a sidebar where you can make changes to that specific category. Make your changes. Change the name. This is the most common edit. Simply type in the new, more descriptive name for your category. For example, you might change travel to business travel and accommodations. Change the type. Each category is assigned a type, e.g., expense, income, asset, liability. While you'll mostly be editing expense and income categories, ensure the type correctly reflects the nature of the category. This is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Add a sub-account. Optional, this is a powerful feature for greater granularity. If you want to break down a broader category, e.g., marketing, into more specific subcategories, social media ads, content creation, you can often create a new category and then assign it as a sub-account of an existing parent category. While this isn't strictly editing an existing category, it's a related action that helps refine your categorization structure. Save your changes. After making your desired modifications, click the Save or Update button. FreshBooks will then apply these changes.